Good morning, everybody. We are here. Cold outside today, man. 29 degrees out there right now. It's cloudy. It's cold. Got a little snow going on out there. But we got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T. First in the chat all day, baby. Dark. We got Geoped, dark. Geoped, dark. Geoped, dark. Geoped. Did you guys plan that? Frank, how you been doing, man? I haven't seen you in the last couple of days. We got Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. Frank, Dark Bro, CD Wig, Gorilla Peter. We got Frank, Pika Power. We got Dark Bro, CD Wig, Pika, CD Wig, Dark Bro, Pika Power. Thank you very much for when honorarium video. Dark Bro, thank you very much for when honorarium video. Pika, never ignore. Dark Bro, never ignore. I don't know when honorarium. When do you guys think honorarium video? When do you think a good time for an honorarium video would be? Let me know what you guys think about it. Pika Power, thank you very much. Dark Bro, thank you very much. J-Bones, baby, good morning to you. We got Dark Bro, Pika, J-Bones, Outdoor, CD Wit, Peter. We got Gary, Dark Bro, Peter. Not PETA. Peter, Stig, Pika, Peter, Crypto, Cone, Raul, Veltez, Reyes. Hey, man, that Shiba Inu coin hoodie looks great on you, Crypto Cone. We got Dark. Now. Dark Bro's paying attention. He answered. Let's see when Pika answers. We got Gary. Did it, baby. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. Oh, my God, dude. Oh, yeah. Listen, I am very happy that they called those shares away from me. The equivalent of $50 a share would be right now. I was upset at the time because it ripped up from $5 to like $9, but I'm very glad right now because this is the equivalent of $5 to 50 cents. AMC sitting at 538. All-time lows being hit as Adam Aaron destroys the company. Shiba Inu coin, 991 points per coin to the top right-hand side of the screen after a very nice rally this morning, taking it from 940 points all the way up to 1015, man. Very nice rally on Shib this morning, sitting right here, trying to come back down a little bit, 991 points. GameStop, 1652. Down 1.02% at the moment. Bitcoin, $43,992. Was there a dip? Was there even a dip yesterday? Like, what on earth, man? We are right back here, right back up, retesting the $44,000 or $45,000, $44,000 levels of resistance. Bitcoin acts like there was no decline yesterday. Bitcoin looking absolutely strong today, up 1.85%. Nasdaq on the other hand, however, Nasdaq is down 0.10% on the day. You got Dogecoin, 8.3 cents. It's still lower than it was over the last couple of days here, but nonetheless trying to bounce back and recoup some of yesterday's losses. Not doing as well as, Shiba Inu coin and some of the other players out there. But Shib sitting at 990, Dogecoin sitting at 8.3 cents, 2278 on Ethereum, right back up, man. Bitcoin right back up. Now the SPY is up just slightly today, but it is selling off over the last half hour or so, sitting at $469.49. QQQ down 0.10%, just like the Nasdaq. 397.91. Mullen Auto 1274. You got Sundial $159. Netflix 478. Highcroft 237. MPW 499. Tesla 240. Okay, bouncing back a little bit, up almost 1%, 0.77%. Amazon $146, down 1.5%. Apple down 1.5%. Dude, Apple's down a good 10% off of those highs already. So Apple pulling back pretty strong over the last 2 weeks here. Apple going from $200 a share down to $181 a share, touching an intraday low today of 180.88. So Apple bouncing off those lows right here, 180.88, trying to make its way back up. Making its way back up, walking fast, faces best, and I'm homebound. Hey bro, kind of like me, actually recovering most of my losses on AMC on my way out last year. Yeah, dude, Frank, man, I really do feel bad for these kids, though. I still see them out there posting on X, dude. They're like, Adam Aaron is the greatest. Adam Aaron is the silverback. What a strong move. What a strong play. And you can't even, like, talk any sense into him, man. You really can't. It's very, very sad, dude. You know, I can't go around just grabbing these guys by the collar and shaking them and saying, what the heck is wrong with you, man? This guy's a con artist. He's a thief. He's stolen billions of dollars out of retail's pocket and put billions of dollars into AMC's pocket. So, I dislike it so much, man. Riding AMC into the dirt. Outdoor Smile. Look, dude, I still have I still have shares of AMC, right? I do. Very, very, very few at this point in time. After they took they called me on those shares, I was selling those calls. Obviously, I had less than 100 shares left when they had called me away. And then with the reverse split and all of that, that was a 1 for 10 reverse split. So divide that by 10 there. Very, 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 very few shares of AMC left. And I'm okay with that, man. Now, I'm also okay just for $5 a share, dude. I'm okay riding these into the dirt at this point. AMC, to me, at least at this point in time, okay, it was an amazing part of 2021 into 2022. I truly respect what AMC was, what it was doing, where it was going, and I would love for that to happen again. Dude, I would love for some sort of a retail rally around AMC again. I would be all over it. But what it is now, man, with Adam Aaron kind of, I don't even know what they call it, at the helm or whatever, I don't like it, right? I don't like it. I can't get behind Adam Aaron, and I believe a lot of people put their trust in someone who abused that trust. And I still do hold a couple shares of AMC at this point. I will ride those into the dirt. Like, I really don't care if they literally go to zero. That's not going to bother me. It's nothing now. But a reminder of what once was and how amazing it truly was. So, yeah, dude, I'm also not leaving there. Let's see here. But at the same time, man, I also don't expect Adam Aaron to start a short squeeze or anything. Yay! Then I've changed mine to soon. Peak Power, what did Peak Power say? I'm used to tomorrow. Oh, I'm used to tomorrow answer. Soon. Always. Soon. Always. Soon. Oh, hey, Dark Bro. I don't know if Pudgy got a hold of you or anything. So, Pudgy said that he might be MIA. He sent me a message last night. And Pudgy said that he might be MIA for a while, and I don't know, I think he said going off grid or whatever for a little while here. He will be back. What he wanted to say, and I don't know, okay, I don't know if he told you this or not, but he said either reach out to, or he might be reaching out to you, DJ Trev Market Talk. Okay, I don't know if you know who DJ Trev is. He did a lot of Terra Luna Classic stuff, and he's got some Shib content and stuff like that out there. As far as I know, right, he didn't confirm or deny anything, and I haven't talked to DJ Trev, but it seemed as though he might be willing to talk about honorarium or post about honorarium and stuff like that. So, Pudgy said reach out to that guy, or if he does reach out to you on, if DJ Trev reaches out to you on Twitter, I don't know if you got it set, so you have to be following somebody for them to DM you or not, but, yeah, man, it sounds like Pudgy was out there doing some work and talking to DJ Trev about honorarium, and it seems like he might be game on either. Now, I don't know if he's just okay with doing videos, if he's okay with posting about it on Twitter, or, what his deal is there. But, yeah, he said keep an eye out for DJ Trev, man. See if he will. And if you don't know who it is, I might be able to pull his thing up because I know who that guy is. I've talked to him several times. Let's see. Emoji! Where? Everybody wants to know where the honorarium video is. Let's just, it's in the queue. Let's put it that way. Emoji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Honorarium video soon. Honorarium video soon. Frank, 28 months of bro. Loving it, dude. New position. All right, we got a new position here. 100 shares of TSLL at an average of 13.57. TSLL. I don't know what that is. Okay. So this seems like a 1.5 leveraged position on Tesla is what this looks like. They're not going to bring up the profile. Yeah, I didn't think so. I need to update Weeble here. Seems like a 1.5x leverage position on Tesla. Very, very nice here at 13.57. Dude, actually, I like that buy, man. If Tesla doesn't really curl over, you're getting in a pretty good ascending trend line. Nice little dip there. I don't know if you plan on trading it or not, but yeah, that's a pretty good buy, unless, of course, Tesla does curl over and fall pretty hard. Let's see. You might run into resistance in this area. Support. Kind of held up, it attempted it to, I don't know, the $15 mark, dude. So I don't know if you're looking for a 10% gain or if you're looking for a longer term hold or what. But decent little dividend, 2.66%, 1.5x leverage position based on the name, right? I don't see the profile there, but it could be pretty sweet. What else do we have in that member chat? Sold covered calls for next Friday at $14.73, earning a $17 premium, and used it to buy a little more. Dude, that's what I love, dude. That's what I love. Now, $14.73, that's going to be very good, even if it does hit that and they call you away. Why? You're making like 10%, dude. Make that 10%. If you can make 10% and get called away, look at this, man. Gotta fix that right away. If you can make 10% and they call you away, who cares? You're still doing very well. Bitcoin bouncing back up through the $44,000 mark. My goodness. Everybody has a great holiday. Chris, hope you had a great holiday as well. Give me a donut. I have the munchies. Go get one, man. Good enough to check it out. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. No idea. I heard his name before, but I haven't. All right, let me see if I can pull him up. Fantasy Football Trophy update. Moji, dude, you are the winner. It has not been sent out yet, but I do need to go to the post office here very, 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 very soon. Hopefully either today or tomorrow. If not, I'm trying to go by Saturday because I wanna get Mark L's hoodie out and Suzuki's hoodie and the rest of the guys that won but didn't get me their address in time for the Christmas giveaway there. So it has not been sent out yet, but it is ready to be sent. It's already packaged up and ready to go. I gotta take the hat out and send that to J Bones though. Let me. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Let me see if I can find. Yeah, I think it's this guy. Let me see here. Yeah, it should be this guy here. What the heck is... What is going on, man? Is that the right one? Alright, I don't know what happened to my... I don't know what happened to Chrome, but apparently we got it back up now. Alright, this guy out on Twitter. Dark Pro. If you don't follow this guy, make sure to check him out. And so he can at least DM you. I don't know if you got your DMs open or not. But DJ Trev right there, that's who Pudgy was talking to. And as you can see, man, I think he's done some videos and stuff about Terra Luna Classic and so on. I don't really know what he's got going on YouTube and all that, but of course I can't say anything either because I'm not logged in. But this is the guy you're looking for right here. EdTreb001 is his handle. DJ Trev Market Talk. You can just Google it if you want to Google it there. I have no idea. Let's take a look at Beam, man. I imagine Beam is back up nicely today as the entire cryptocurrency market seems back up nicely today. After the honorarium video, we could potentially get 5 new holders. Roulette wheel. That's actually legitimate, right? That's actually legitimate. After an honorarium video, we probably could get, oh God, dude. Pika! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pika says, for the honorarium video soon fund. Pika, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. And that was a superhero super chat. Yeah, that's a superhero super chat right there. So that comes with one of these. Now, outdoor smile, you calm down a little bit on that outdoor smile. Because I'm not even wearing a t-shirt under this one, man. I start to rip that shirt open there. You guys might see some hair that you don't want to see. You might see some hair that you don't want to see if I get that open there. And this is the guy that I ask for financial advice. If it sounds like something you're interested in, Khalito, let's get started. Absolutely, man. Mr. 55, he was in. And Mr. 55, he was out, man. Oh, we can bear in chest? Could, dude. Could. Got some decent... I mean, as you guys can see, it's already, like, starting to creep up right there. And I ain't even doing anything. So, yeah. I don't... Okay, legitimate question. Legitimate question. Can anybody else connect the beard? Like, can you Austin Powers it, connect the beard all the way down to the chest hair? Because clearly mine's connected. I got it shaved a little bit right here. But, yeah, dude, clearly connected. I don't know if anybody else in here... Legitimate. I mean, you guys can see it on me, so I don't care. Answer for yourself. No shame in it, man. It's just hair. Can you guys connect the chest to the beard? Because that's where it's at these days, man. That's where it's at. UPS. Oh, Moji, I'm going to be dead serious, man. I already forgot about that. You know what? I'm going to put that... Moji, send me a DM on Twitter right now and just say UPS, please. Because I'm going to go look at your address on... No, not on Twitter. On Discord. I don't know if I said Twitter or Discord. Where you sent me your address on Discord. If you didn't already, just say... I might do UPS, but just say UPS or FedEx, please. If you really want UPS, technically I could. I would probably prefer FedEx, but it's up to you. But yeah, if you don't want USPS, then send that to me in the Discord so I read that when I'm writing your address down on there. I only find honorarium gems, but once in a Shibarium minute. Yeah, Khalito, dude. It's near impossible. Let me show you guys something. These gems that they talk about, you're literally looking at maybe 1 in 1,000 coins actually does something after the first 2 days. Everything else, man, people get tired of it and they sell off of it. I traded a couple, and I got in, I got out, so I did okay. But I was trading a couple of those Solana meme coins over last weekend, and one of them I remember perfectly because it was Brolana, right? And I thought, well, that's cool, dude. It's got a bro in its name. This is going to be the greatest coin ever. And I traded it, and it was. I mean, it was good for a minute there. But look at it now, dude. This coin had over $1 million market cap. I think this is it, but that looks very weird. That daily chart doesn't look right there. Okay. Yeah, this looks a little bit more legit. So this is a 4-hour chart, right? And I did. I traded it a couple hours after it came out. I don't know if I was in this area. I think I actually would have gotten in on this dip down in here at like 3 zeros and a 5. And I got out shortly after, dude. It was like 3 zeros or 2 zeros and a 12 or whatever. Made just a little over the a double. And I was like, oh, cool, man. This stuff actually works. These Solana meme coins are legitimate. And then I kicked myself because I could have 10x'd on it. Okay? But this is what you never know. You never know if it's going to wick up to here and dump off, if it's going to wick up to here and dump off, or what. But I can almost assure you, this coin was doing like $2 to $4 million in a 24-hour period when it first came out. Very exciting. Everybody trading it. And now it's down. $18,000 is still decent volume on a 24-hour period there. But look, now it's down to nothing. No volume, no trade action, no price action, and so on. So, you know, it's going to take a miracle, literally, to revive this coin here. You're not going to find gems where all of a sudden this revives back to life now without any sort of luck. happening. But you will notice these coins that are trending, these top 10, I don't pay for top 15, but these top 10 coins on here, you can make some money if you're willing to get in and get out. And I was watching it, dude, and it's almost like a game. The best way that I can put this is if you're sitting there, and you guys have probably seen it in movies before. I don't know what they're playing there. But, dude, you got everybody start to trend, and they're rolling across the top of the screen, and everybody's just throwing money in, and everybody's taking money out. Like, people are throwing, people are taking. People are throwing, people are taking. People are throwing, people are taking. All you got to do is throw some in and take it out before the dump happens. Because usually when the dump does happen, people are done. They just take their money, they get up, and they walk to the next little area on the parking lot there where people are throwing their money in and pulling their money out and throwing it in and pulling it out. So, yeah, dude, you can take advantage of these little guys right here if you have the idea of getting in and getting out very quickly. I didn't leave any riding on it, but you can leave some ride on it just in case it ever does revive and begins to rip up like some sort of a bonk or Pepe and so on. But this is what differentiates a lot of these trending coins. I said all of that just to say, this is what differentiates all of these trending coins from, and they do millions of dollars. Dark Bro hasn't seen millions of dollars in volume or anything. But millions of dollars in volume there on something like Bro Lana, and then Honorarium, okay? Honorarium is nowhere near the $18,000 in low volume. Honorarium sitting on $129 in the last 24 hours, 101 holders. But look at the daily chart, right? People committed to actually holding. That's the difference. When you see these trending coins up top here, everybody is interested in trading, throwing money in, pulling money out. Basically a liquidity attack, man. Let me see how long I can last, pull it out. Honorarium is different. Now, I know there's a huge battle ahead of Honorarium. All right? It's not easy to get sort of $1 million a day in volume or any of that. But when they do, man, you just got to be very careful for that huge sell-off afterwards. Honorarium, though, doing very well to maintain these current levels in price action and still have a very nice, hold on, where'd my page go? Ascending trend line that you got forming on the chart right here. Oh, come on, man. It didn't even let me. Still a very nice ascending trend line forming on this chart right here. And I don't know if that's going to continue on, if the channel is going to end up winning and dictating the price action. But Honorarium is doing... Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh, dude. All right. Dark Bro, I am, jeez, dude. Oh, boy. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat. All right. So, at this point, it seems as though, let me say this, okay? Let me say this. Please do not hold me like as being some man who's going to be able to drive $10,000 into Honorarium or anything like that, okay? You guys have clearly seen some of the sponsored videos that I do. The vast majority of my audience, right? The vast majority of the people that watch the YouTube channel watch for Terra Luna Classic and watch for Shiba Inu coin. Yes, I can. Oh my God, dude. The vast majority watch for those. I cannot promise any number of views. I cannot promise that it turns into a buy. And I cannot promise that I will tell anybody to go out there and buy it. Okay? But I will have no problem. You guys are twisting me here. I will have no problem going through, in just the same way we went through that right there, I'll have no problem going through and doing kind of a, well, just what we did right there, right? So I can do that in a video. I will say this, though. It's also not going to be fair. I will have to put that little thing up at the top of the screen that says it's a promo, okay? I'll have to put that thing up at the top of the screen that does say it's a promo. So just to let you know on that, I promise you will give a refund if the video is terrible. No, I can't promise I'm going to give a refund if the video is terrible. I can't, like, I literally, man, I can't guarantee any performance. I can't guarantee any of that stuff. I will have to put the little thing at the top that happens at the beginning of the video there that says this is like a sponsored video or whatever. But if you guys are cool with that, I will absolutely go through and do a little charting and talk about it and you know, show the statistics. I can't make anybody buy it. I can't tell anybody to buy it. Obviously, I am bullish on honorarium, right? But I honestly, at the same time, dude, I really don't want you guys to get your hopes up and think, oh, crap, dude, if Clay goes and does a video, you know, that's one of my concerns as well. That if you guys think, oh, man, Clay's going to go do a video on it, and all of a sudden we're going to see an inflow of like $10,000 or something. It probably will not happen, right? But I can, yes, I mean, you guys are throwing some crazy super chats out there right now. So, yeah, if I can do something like that, I'll do something like that. But I do have to put, since you guys are throwing the super chats out there to see the video and stuff, I do have to say that it is a sponsored video and all of that good stuff. All right, there's no other way around it. Bro, can you analyze Ethereum name service? Jimmy, is Ethereum name service a new coin or is this something else, man? Dark Bro really wants to buy a stealth bomber. That he does, man. That he does. Let's see. It's fine. I know you can make promises, and I know there's no guarantee. Can't make promises. Yeah, I can't, dude. I can't make people watch the video or anything like that. YieldMax dividends post in the Discord members chat. This dude is ripping. Oh, these are just all the YieldMax dividends, right? Dang, dude. Tesla paying a 56-cent dividend. ARK Invest paying a 32-cent dividend. Apple, 56-cent dividend. Nvidia, 60. Dude, those are some crazy dividends, man. If you guys are interested in the YieldMax dividends, right, make sure to go check that out, dude, because Frank's got a pretty good chart there of all of the dividends being paid out. And you might think, well, 56 cents on Tesla, that's not a very good dividend. It's 56 cents on Tesla, which Tesla is probably like a $12 stock right now. Yeah, $11.65. Dividend yield is 78%, man. 78% dividend yield. The new dividend is 56 cents. The previous dividend, 60 cents, right? Yeah, 60 cents, 58 cents. 57 cents. Now, this chart's a little deceiving, though. Right? This price was not $9.70. For some reason, Webull is adjusting the historical data based on the dividends that they paid out. Pays out a 60-cent dividend, price history drops by 60 cents. They pay out a 58-cent dividend, price history drops by 58 cents. So this price was not $9.70 there. Webull was a little deceiving with the way they got their YieldMax, and you guys didn't even see any of that. YieldMax is a little deceiving, or Webull's a little deceiving with their price action on these charts here. So yes, man, make sure to realize that before you go in and buy, and you think, oh crap, dude, Tesla is up not only 30%, but it's also paying a 70% dividend. No, actually down from these levels because of that dividend. So do keep that in mind as well. But yeah, it's a beautiful dividend, man. Nothing's guaranteed except death and taxes, and I don't like either one of them, Dark Bro. I don't like death or taxes. I don't like guarantees at all. Plus, I can send that to CoinGecko. Nice, Dark Bro. Let's see here. There are no sure things in life. We do the best we can, act honorably, personally, and towards others. Dang it, Mark. I'm glad you guys know that, man. I am. Got it. Not financial advice. No promises. But maybe you can add it to, maybe you can add that. It could be the global currency during the 2024-2028 Claybro administration. Let's get started. Peak of power. Yeah, maybe I could add that if I get elected to president in the 2024 election here, honorarium will be considered legal tender. That's my campaign promise. I'm running on it, and it seems to be the best one we've got so far. What about TSLL? Will be a wheel strategy. Drip share stack in play. Dividend reinvesting program, right? Share stack in play until I hit maybe 1,000 shares for 10 contracts, then an income battery afterwards. Well, dude, if you're making 17, if you're making 17 bucks on a, what did you have there? 100 shares, right? If you're making 17 bucks a week, dude, on $1,300 in shares, you are doing very well. Yeah, you said it was for next week, for the 19th. Maybe it was next week, dude. If you're making that kind of money every single week on TSLL, dude, you're ripping it, man. You're ripping it. You can even sell out all the way to $16, $17 if you just want to make a little income. Guarantee yourself a huge 20, 30% decline or increase in price before you get called out. Yeah, Frank, that might be a very good strategy, man. Okay, King Bro, join the Honorarium Discord. I will show you. I haven't seen you ask, my bad, bro. Something, me, somebody else. Those red banners at the top are distracting. They are outdoor. They are, man. Very, very strange, isn't it? Those red banners at the top of the screen. Thank you very much, Pika. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. Absolutely appreciate that. I've heard of that Honorarium token before, but I can't remember where, though. Next level. It was probably in here, man. It's probably in here that you heard about Honorarium, dude. Let's see. Probably rug pull. Probably not, man. Probably not. I believe Ethereum naming service is a token on Coinbase, bro. Jimmy, let's check it out. Let's see. Well, let's see if we can pull it up on CoinMarketCap first. Caspa is still looking good at 10 plus cents. Ethereum. Naming. Oh, yeah. I think we got it, man. Ethereum name service is what it seems to be, not naming service. But, yeah, Ethereum name service right here, $14.50. This is interesting, all right, because I don't even know anything about this. Ethereum name service, $14.50, and it's currently up 11.5% today. It's got a $400 million market cap. It is on Coinbase. So it is on Coinbase. It's on Binance. Seems to be, what the heck, man? It seems to be on a lot of these centralized exchanges, and I open KuCoin probably like 5 times a day. I'm surprised that I haven't ever seen it trending on KuCoin. Ethereum name service. Okay, volatility definitely picking up over the last couple of days here. With that big sell-off, dang, dude, yesterday, doubling in price, man. Taking it down to $8.50 up to 16 bucks today. On the month, going from that $8 mark up to $16. Well, this coin has been out for a very long time. This coin came out in the bull run of 2021 there. Wow. 75 bucks a coin. Down to that $8 that we just talked about. Good 10x potential. And the market cap is legitimate, man. Yeah, dude. 1.5, 1.6. You could be looking at a decent 4x gain to get back up to these levels right here. So looking at this market cap, though, what do I notice? We do have a trading view, so this is going to be good. Let's pull this out for just a second here. Daily chart. Ethereum naming service, number one thing over the last 2 days, kind of be careful here, okay? You are ripping well above the mean trend line. Just over the last, I don't know, couple months, this is your trend line right here. Rips up, pulls back. Rips up, pulls back. Rips way up. Just be very careful, because if it wants to pull back, it's going to want to pull back into this $9 area. $9 doesn't seem very low compared to 14, but dude, nobody wants to be sitting on a 30-40% decline in a couple day period. So just be very careful that if it does decide to pull back, this is the shorter term trend line that you have going back for the last couple of months here. Now, on that one, let's see if I can pull it all the way out here, and let's see where we're at. Because right where you're reaching today is some resistance. Now, I know this might be very difficult for you guys to see. Let me try to pull it up a little higher so it's in the middle. I know this might be a little bit more difficult for you guys to see because these lines are smaller here. Didn't want a ray, I wanted a line. But you do have some resistance right here. Now, it's a range, okay? Use that line is the kind of the midpoint, and then the upper and lower ends of this range right in here. Can you change the color on CoinMarketCap? Sure can. This is what I would be looking at on Ethereum naming service. I don't really know what this token does or anything like that, but the green line, pretty strong support, okay? Now, it's not the end-all, be-all support. I would probably move that down to here at that $8 range. Tabbing it, tabbing it, tabbing it, tabbing it, tabbing it all throughout September, October, November, and then starting to rally nicely in December. But since we're already above that line, let's kind of move it into this area, right in here. So tabbing it as support, tabbing it, tabbing it, tabbing it, tabbing it. And then you're in this area, this little resistance right in here, and then the upper end right here. So if you zoom back in now and you take a look at the more recent price action, knowing where the support and resistance lines are, it's attempting resistance today. If it gets rejected, very likely that you could be pulling back down to this $9, $10 area, or back down to this ascending trend line. If it rips up, dude, you could see another nice, 30% increase up to the $19, $20 area. So that's what I'd be looking at on Ethereum naming service. And I know that was very long for a coin that I've never seen before, so hopefully appreciate that, man. Thank you for the mustache. Pika, I see you. I thank you. Pika Power, thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you very much for the mustache. Finally, received my bro hoodie. Is it everything you ever dreamed of, Roulette Wheel? Is it everything you ever dreamed of there? I hope that it is, man. I hope that it is. And I hope it's your best hoodie ever. And you wear it every single day. That's what I would like. Let's see. I'm a long-term holder, planning on buying more by dollar cost averaging. It actually has a lot of development going on for it, but it's still a lot of holders with bad taste in their mouths. Roulette Wheel, I don't know if we're talking about Shibarium or if we're talking about something else right now. I might have missed it there. Very sorry. Hey, bro, give Kombu a mustache. Is Kombu in here? Oh, there you go. Kombu is in here, man. Kombu. Hopefully you got that mustache that Pika sent right there. For Kombu's mental health, he likes it. He likes it. He really, really likes it. Roulette Wheel, tell me more about this hoodie, man. It's got to be your favorite. You got to tell me it's your favorite. I don't want to hear anything other than that, man. MSOL, high potential, low market cap, and it's on Coinbase. Quentin, let's check out MSOL in a second here. Jimmy, absolutely, man. Suzuki, thank you very much. Suzuki following suit with literally everybody in here, man, for honorarium promo. Moji said I'd be rich by now with $10. Moji wasn't lying, man. Moji wasn't lying. You're rich in friends, Suzuki. You are rich in friends. You are among the best of the best that this world has to offer. That is a fact, man. There's no disputing facts. Facts are not relative. They're not subjective. Facts are facts. And you are rich in friends, my man. I was talking about Saitama. Gotcha. Yeah, Saitama's one that I've never owned. When I lie down in bed, wearing my bro hoodie, talking about honorarium, I have an out-of-body experience. Yeah, that actually sounds legitimate, man. I can't deny that at all, Dark Bro. That actually sounds like something that I go through every evening. Okay, Dark Bro, I have the Discord now. Very nice, K King. Happy New Year to everyone, lady. Happy New Year to you as well, Mog. Now we got a Mog and a Moji in here. We got Mogs and Moji. Bro hoodie is the best. I need to get different sizes and colors. What do you need different sizes for? Roulette wheel. Do you like shift? You like shift sizes, or you just want to collect? You just want to start collecting bro hoodies. What is going on? Different colors I can understand. Different sizes might be a little. You know what, JB? I have not shared thoughts on Saitama in a very long time. I have no idea where Saitama's at. Let's pull that bad boy up and see what's happening with it, just for good old time's sake. All right, guys, let's see. I have no idea what Saitama's doing. Is Saitama even out here still? What is happening, dude? Is Saitama still a coin? Am I looking at something wrong? I don't know where I don't know. Dude, my current thoughts on Saitama. Where is it? It's called Side Chain now. Okay, hold on. Okay, is it this one then? Roulette wheel. Is it this one? Pudgy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy says, in case Clay didn't get message to Dark Bro, hit up DJ Trev Market Talk on Twitter. I already gave him the Discord link. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Follow his Twitter account. He's a moderator on Matthew Perry's channel as well. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Boom, 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 boom. DJ Trev. DJ. Yeah, you guys, and dead serious though, too. You know, all these guys, I really don't care or have any problem whatsoever. I encourage you to get different perspectives, right? DJ Trev Market Talk, you got Matthew Perry, you got all these other guys out there. Please do support them. Even if it is just subscribing to their channel and watching a video every once in a while, you have no idea how much support that really does make. So, yes, not only follow his Twitter account, follow his YouTube account, all that good stuff. It's a simple button. You click it, and it does make a huge difference, man. You don't have to watch every video that everybody always ever posts. I know nobody has time in the day to do all of that. But, yes, Pudgy does DJ Trev sell bro hoodies. Unfortunately, DJ Trev does not sell bro hoodies. But DJ Trev should sell bro hoodies. The heck's going on with that, man? Should sell some bro hoodies out there. Roulette wheel. Let's take a look at Side of Chain for JB real quick. When I wear my Burn Shib t-shirt I got from Clay's store, I get a tingly feeling in... You guys are wild, dude. You guys are wild. All right, Side of Chain coin is down 5% on the week. Dude, I mean... Based on this chart right here, buy it when it's at 1.2 cents and sell it when it's at 1.3 cents, man. Go make 10% 15 times a day. Holy smokes, man. Is this price action legitimate? Roulette wheel, is this price action legitimate, man? Because, dude... You know, you could just chart your trend lines here. You could chart your trend lines here and then buy on those little spikes down and make sure that if it starts to try and attempt this descending trend line right here, you're just careful about loading up if it's above that line. So, yeah, man, I don't know. That doesn't seem like a bad chart at all for trading at the moment. Now, I have no idea why that says 70 cents. Something's... This is the chart for Satoshi Island coin. Why am I getting that when I pull up the trading view for Side Chain? All right. ignore that trading view because I have no idea what's going on with that. But yeah, man, side of chain looking very tradable at the moment in this tight little range that it's got going on. In terms of all-time performance, I would love to see it back up here at 0.003, a nice 4x gain from where it's at. But it does seem every time it gets a nice little rally, it can't sustain that rally. So just watch out for that, man. It's got potential. It's currently sitting on $57 million, $250,000 a day in volume. That is a very strong market cap and very strong volume as well. Let's see. I'm still mad though, but still a bro. Now, back on the lam I go. Pudgy! What are you upset for? Hey! Pudgy! Don't be upset, man. Glad you're still a bro, absolutely, but you're supposed to make it the best day ever, dude. We can't have the best day ever if we're not feeling good. Followed everything. Dark bro, I like it, man. It's DJ Trev. Have next level chest hair. Dude, nobody's got an I really don't know. I've never seen his chest hair, but come on, man. Can they connect it to the beard? That's the question. JB, man, he's still in here. Did you see my thoughts on Saitama? I got some thoughts on it, man. Roulette wheel, as for Saitama, side of the chain. Sorry, roulette wheel. After being scammed by them twice since 2021, I gave up on them. It always looks like that. I've been following it. Well, shoot, dude. It seems extremely tradable if that's the case, man. It seems extremely tradable. Just a quick question, bro. I want to thank you about your beautiful. Can you design for clothing hoodies? I have bought some of from my cousin, and he absolutely loves it. A very clever man. Mog, man. Thank you very much for saying that. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. And I'm glad your cousin loves it. And just to let you know, if you guys buy any of those hoodies, it contributes to Shiba Inu coin burns. If you want to leverage any of your everyday Amazon purchases, it contributes to Shiba Inu coin burns. So make sure to check that out, guys. If you haven't been doing so already, we're going to be sending 25 million Shib over the dead wallet here pretty soon. And I want to send 25 billion to the dead wallet every month, which is possible. I mean, if everybody goes out there and uses that link, it is possible. Yes, it would probably require millions of dollars a month to be spent on Amazon, but it's not millions of dollars a month that you wouldn't already spend, right? So let's say you spend $200 a month on Amazon. Your mom spends $200 a month on Amazon. Your dad, your sister, your brother spends $200 a month on Amazon. All of a sudden, that's $1,000, right? Well, if you go out there, dude, we get 100 people that are spending that. Well, now we got $100,000 a month being spent on Amazon. If they share it with some people that they know, all of a sudden we 10x that. We're spending $1 million a month on Amazon. Well, dude, now we're burning $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month in Shiba Inu coin. I believe that would be absolutely phenomenal. And it's no additional money spent. It's just what you would normally purchase on Amazon there. But, Monk, man, was there a quick question in there or was it just a quick comment? I don't know. Let's see. Second Mog. I think we got a second Mog in here, man. I don't know. Shouldn't let a misunderstanding touch part. Never. But I understand, bro. Thanks for always being a bro. Heck yeah. I don't even know what's going on right now. But hopefully everybody and everything is okay. Side of chain Saitama had a market cap as high as $7 billion. You know what? That is a possibility, roulette wheel. I don't remember it way back then. It's never a coin that I had. I do remember that it was ridiculously high. During those bull market times, man, when Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin were ripping up like 40, 50, 60 billion dollars in market cap, I remember that Saitama was ripping as well. And I do remember that they had a lot of projects that kept on getting delayed, denied, and so on. And it was always like my thoughts, you know, JP, Mr. Simon and stuff would ask about Saitama and stuff like that. And my thoughts were, dude, these guys can't get anything done that they say they're going to get done. It was never a coin that I went in there and had bought. I never looked into them too closely. But I do believe a $7 billion valuation would have been an absolute possibility during that 2021 bull market rally. You know, that's basically where Shiba Inu coin is at right now. And Shiba Inu coin is still a very, very large coin. So if that's where Saitama was, man, you know, that's huge. It's down very big from those levels right now, but it is a possibility because I remember it being something that everybody always talked about. If it ever wakes up close to those levels, 1,000 will be my worth. Serious. Oh, 1,000 will be worth serious money. Oh, yeah, dude. I mean, you're looking at basically a 20x gain to get to $1 billion. Multiply that by 7. You're looking at 140x gain, dude. $1,000 right now would turn into $150,000. So yeah, if you can get back up to those $7 billion market cap levels on sidechain here, you'd basically be 140xing to get to those levels. I mean, you know, you don't have to take $1,000 risk on it or anything, but dude, if you can 140x, holy moly, man, my goodness. Dark bro getting mushy. I like a mushy little dark. Yes. Do you have to report Amazon commission as income? Yes, Kalito, I do have to report Amazon commission as income. Unfortunately, Amazon's got all the tax information, and tax man don't let you hide under any rock, dude. Kalito, good morning, sir. Your thoughts on the terrible stock ATNF and how it seems to only go up in pre and after market hours? Gone Postal, ATNF. I don't know if I know this one here. Oh, 180 Life Sciences. I have seen this one before, but I don't know where it's at right now. All right, let's see what we got. Smokes, man. Smokes. All right, well, my first thoughts, dude. Stay out of stocks like this, okay? This is very similar to Farmy, right? I hate Farmy with a passion, okay? Don't get involved with stocks that only ever go down. But if you must, if you're being called to this for some reason, and you're trying to play some after-hours price action here, it is true, right? You can make some money. You're not going to see some very high volume, though. Volume, 118 shares, 800,000 shares after hours, 1 million shares, and then right back down. Okay, so you do have a lot of these after hours spikes, very similar back here. Okay, this is not a stock that I would buy and hold at all. Now, crazy action here, doubling, going from 43 cents up to 85 cents, and so on, 600,000 shares. So there's enough that you can go in there. 600,000 shares at 20 cents a share, 150. I mean, you're looking at like $100,000. Right, $100 to $150,000 being traded during that hour. So I think that's completely fine. I don't think you're going to be going out there and trading $150,000 on this stock. But with that being said, and I don't know what these minute charts look like or so on, I would not hold this stock and just hope that an after hours trade starts to take off like this. If you were watching it and you get a little after hours action, then you could go in and enter the trade, but be prepared to exit because like you pointed out, man, anytime you got these gains, boom, fall. Gain, boom, fall. Gain, boom, fall. Gain, boom, fall. Every single time it sells back off. So if you're into this stock, man, it would be one of those that you get in, you take your money right back out, you make your gain, and you move on. Because if you're looking at the daily chart, where's this stock going? I mean, you could ask your 5-year-old kid, where's this stock going? And he's not going to say, well, it's going up, Daddy. No, he's not going to say that, man. He's going to say it's going down. This stock has only ever gone down. So not something that I would be committed to holding. Not something that I would say, well, dude, I got in at 20 cents. Then it spiked up after hours, 2 months later, and I got out. I wouldn't even risk it. 2 months from now, the stock could be at 5 cents. 2 months from now, the stock could be at negative 20 cents. They're paying you 20 cents to take it. The only time in history that I have seen that, and it is legitimate, it might have been 2020, okay? Might have been when everything was locked down in 2020. Oil was negative, I forget how much a barrel. They were literally paying you to take oil. That oil was so cheap, it went negative in price. Now that is nuts, guys. That is one of the reasons, though, and that was a legitimate price. Like, they would have paid you to take in that oil. But of course, if you're going out there and you're buying those contracts, you know, you're under contract to take that oil and store that oil. It's not something that people can go out there and just store hundreds of barrels of oil in their backyard or in their basement and so on. So it wasn't really like you could have taken advantage of it or whatever, and they're paying you to take this oil. And what are you going to use that oil for anyway? You probably got to be licensed and regulated and EPA and all that stuff. But it is possible that you find prices with a negative price where they're literally paying you to take it. And oil is one of those examples from 4 years ago, and I believe 2020. Let's see. Just happy for no reason. I might be broke. Ahmed, that's the best reason to be happy, dude. Don't be happy if you're wanting money to be your happiness. Don't be happy if you're wanting something else, you know, your job to be your happiness. Be happy for no reason, man. Because it sometimes that's all it is a decision. A decision to control your attitude and be happy, man. Let's fund transfers anything above 10,000 has to report to the IRS. Yeah, dude. Video game money, roulette wheel. I see what you're doing there. Trying to distract me at the end of the day. Yeah. I see what you're doing. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. It's the end of the live stream. We're going to be back this afternoon with another live stream. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Appreciate the super chats, all of that this morning. And hopefully, yes, we do get an honorarium video out here soon now. Very similar to what we go over in the live streams. We got a shout out to Ahmed, man. Be happy always. We got Suzuki, Kombu, man. Enjoy your afternoon, Kombu. We got Roulette Wheel, Deadpool, Red Suit, man. Enjoy your day. We got Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel. We got Gone Postal. See you later, Gone Postal. Markel, have a great one. It is 1 o'clock, JB. That it is, man. Gary, see you later, man. We got Suzuki, Kombu, Dark Bro, see you later. We got Frank, Old Rounder, Suzuki, Dark Bro, Markel, Dark Bro, CD Wit, Dark Bro, J-Bones, baby. We got Outdoor Smile, Dark Bro, Pika Power. We got Dark Bro, Pika. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.